How to send a blank comment on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to send a blank comment on TikTok, generally, let's first go to the TikTok application and tap on comments. Now as you tap on comments, just tap over here and type any comments, then only your send button will be activated. But if send it black, it won't be able to send. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the Chrome browser on our device, and then over here we're going to search for this website, which is emojipedia.organization. Let me type it for you: emojipedia.org/0 with joiner over here. So as you tap on that, it will land you to the home page of this website, where you can see the option of copy at the very first. So tap on copy, and as you tap on copy, you can just go back to your TikTok application and on the video that you want to comment. So tap on TikTok and then go to the comment section, and here on the comment section you just have to paste whatever you had copied. So tap on paste and tap on send. And there you go, you have sent a blank comment on TikTok. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.